Fixing common Google Maps issues. Hey everyone, if Google Maps isn't working properly, maybe it's not loading, lagging, or can't find your location, don't worry. Here are some easy fixes that usually solve the problem. First up, restart your phone. It sounds simple, but a quick reboot can clear out any minor glitches causing the app to misbehave. Next, let's make sure location services are on. Head over to your settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, then tap on Location Services. Just make sure it's turned on. Without this, Maps won't know where you are. Now let's double-check Google Maps' individual location settings. Open the Google Maps app so it's running in the background, then go back to Settings, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Then scroll down until you find Google Maps, and tap on it under the Location section. Make sure While Using the app is selected, and also make sure Precise Location is enabled. This helps Maps pinpoint your location more accurately. Also, make sure Background App Refresh is turned on for Google Maps. If it's off, turn it back on. This helps the app run smoother even when you're switching between other apps. Lastly, make sure your phone's time matches your location, which helps Maps work properly. That's all for this one. Try these tips out, and you should have Google Maps running smoothly again. See you in the next video.